Hey guys, Dave Markowitz here, part of Dave and Ed, a real estate team, and today we are doing Tuesday's tips. Something really interesting. We are working on a termite inspection today. We will give you the ins and outs of what happens during an inspection and what you need to know. You may notice that Ned is not here with me at this point. She is actually at the office working on some big contracts and probably thinking about money. Also, another reason she's not here, I'll give you a little tip. She hates bugs. I'm always at the termite inspection, and she stays far away. Anyways, we're going to be visiting with Marlon from Trident Termite today, and he's going to give us a rundown on what goes into the inspection and what you need to know as anyone that's looking into selling. And also, if you just need a regular termite inspection, he's here to help. Anyways, guys, we'll see you inside, and have a great day. Welcome to Tuesday's Tips. As busy real estate agents out in the field, we're always looking to help our community grow. Tuesday's Tips is about allowing our community to share about their businesses and promotions and providing you, the consumer, a place to find out more about what makes this community great. Hey guys, Dave Markowitz here, part of the Dave and Ed, a real estate team. Tuesday's Tips. Today we are out, as I mentioned earlier, on a termite inspection with Marlon Berrios from Trident Termite. Marlon, thanks so much for coming on the show today. I just want to give everybody a little education of what the termite process is. Just to step back a second, there's something called a Section 1 and a Section 2 in the termite industry lingo. There was a condition back in the days that termite was a condition of sale when you sold a house. It is no longer a condition. It is a negotiable aspect whether a seller or buyer wants to do it, and they come to a conclusion of who's going to pay for the services. So I'll get into the details now with Marlon. He's been around for 18 years. And hey, Marlon, thanks again.
No problem.
Tell me a little bit about how you got started first.
Came into the business late 90s, started my own company in 2001, and here we are 18 years later, still doing inspections.
Okay.
Full quality inspections for the customer.
Okay. And let's get into what I mentioned earlier about a Section 1 and a Section 2. Tell me what's the difference, so a layman or someone not understanding those terminologies, what does that mean?
Section 1 items are items that are actual infestation or infection areas on a house. Example of that is active termite infestation, okay, and or wood, dry rot, fungus damage, as opposed to a Section 2, which are termed conducive conditions.
Okay.
These things lead to the active termite or the active dry rot in the house.
Okay. And as a Section 1, that's you actually have termites swarming. Are they flying in the attic? What does that mean in terms of as a visual what you see?
That's correct. Section 1, you can see the actual termites. The wood may look a little bit spongy, soft.
Okay.
Sometimes we have to do, we do have to do a physical inspection to check for those items.
Okay.
But as opposed to a Section 2, which could be like a plumbing leak, okay, or water stain, any type of grade issues that could lead to these other Section 1 items happening.
So let's go back. So we understand now what a Section 1 is. Now a Section 2 could be just pretty much wood rot. Let's say you're looking at a fascia board. He's walking around the property. He's looking at a fascia board. Looks like there's water damage or whatnot. He probes it. He sees what's going on there. Is that more of a wood damage issue, but there can actually be active termite in that section? And if so, how do you replace that?
That's correct. If we're going through and we're probing the wood, and we see that it's soft or if it's hollow,
okay,
from there we can determine if it is a termite problem or if it's a water damage problem, and then we can do the measurements.
You can what?
We can take the measurements for the replacement of the wood.
Okay. And that's usually whoever is responsible at the point of negotiation who wants to pay for that during the escrow period. So how can we find you? How can people use your services and whatnot?
You can reach me on the internet,
okay,
or you can call me directly,
okay,
my cell phone,
okay,
or at the office. We have people there on standby.
What about social media? Can anybody find you on Facebook or anything like that? Or
yes, you can find us at Trident Termite on Facebook.
Okay, so guys, thanks so much for listening today. I hope this information was educational. Marlon's been doing this for years, so if you guys need anything in the termite industry, he doesn't do servicing of actual like ants and whatnot, but anything in termite inspections, whatnot, give him a call, and he's your guy. Thanks again, guys, for listening.
Thank you.
Marlon, thanks again.
Thank you, Dave.
And try to stay cool today. It's hot.
Yeah, absolutely.
Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks again for watching Tuesday's Tips. If you'd like to be on our show, please reach out to us. And don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms.
And if you have any real estate needs, please reach out to us. And we're Dave and Netta. We are the Elite Team.
Bye, guys.
Bye.